Good morning, dear students. Today, let's learn a new poem, Habits, written by Carol B. K. Wenger. All of you know that what a habit is. A habit is defined as a settled or regular tendency or practice, especially one that is hard to give up. You just think about your good habits and bad habits. This poem is about habits. This poem gives us a message that good habits have to be cultivated with care. This poem is a didactic poem which contains a clear moral message or purpose to convey to its readers. Let's get into our poem. A habit is a sticky thing. A habit is a sticky thing because once it's formed, it is very difficult to let it go. It is called a sticky thing because it does not leave one easily. A habit is a sticky thing, much good or evil it can bring. A habit can be a good one or a bad one and brings good or evil to the person who develops it. It binds a victim, holds him fast, and keeps him in a vice like grasp. A vice is a tool used to grasp things firmly. The poet says that a habit is like a tight, vice like grip, which means that a habit holds us very firmly. Bad habits grow with extra speed, much like a healthy growing weed. Bad habits are like healthy weeds which grow with extra speed. It just like a tree's roots grow deeper down and the stems grow stout. Stout means rather fat. Bad habits, like a tree's roots grow deeper, bad habits get set into our minds so deeply, and it is too difficult to pull it out. How difficult to pull it out? The roots grow deep, the stem grows stout. How difficult to pull it out? Good habits are a little slow. They need a lot of care to grow. Good habits develop slower than bad ones and require more practice and care. If tended well, they grow more fair than any bloom a plant can bear. But if taken care of it properly, they grow better than any bloom a plant can have. Tended means taken care of and looked after. If we taken care good habits properly, they grow better than any bloom a plant can have. Good habits help us all through life, but bad habits bring us pain and strife. While good habits help a person to get through life, bad ones cause pain and trouble. Strife means trouble or difficulty. Our habits, whether right or wrong, each day will grow more firm and strong. Whether our habits are good or bad, they grow stronger with each passing day. So, dear children, we will have to cultivate good habits and they need extra care and try to give up bad habits. Don't let them go deeper in your body and mind. I hope you understood the poem very well and you will have to do one exercise in page number 128. There is a box. You will have to fill the columns and you will have to write the characteristics of good habits and bad habits. Thank you.